System files corrupted by the Audio Endpoint Builder service DLL failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Don't let Audio Endpoint Builder service slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Audio Endpoint Builder service, the Microsoft Audio Endpoint Builder service library. It manages the background enumeration and localized initialization of audio devices, speakers, mics. Corruption in this file is a high-risk failure that results in the audio service is not running error, causing the red X to appear over the volume icon in the taskbar. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Audio Endpoint Builder service. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Audio Endpoint Builder service. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Most individual downloads of Audio Endpoint Builder service DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing Audio Endpoint Builder service and maintaining system health. If this fix repaired Audio Endpoint Builder service dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.